On number 12, I'm going to do Are You Reading Closely and Looking? Let's read the question. How many points did Marcy and Jocelyn score? I underlined it, now I can read the details. Marcy and Jocelyn both scored points playing an air hockey game. That's just a game. Marcy scored 24 points and Jocelyn scored 14 more points than Marcy. Now I can cross that out and I can circle my clues. I know that Marcy and Jocelyn are playing and they're scoring points. I know that Marcy scored 24, so I'm going to label that M for Marcy, and Jocelyn scored 14 more points than Marcy. I know that's Jocelyn, so I'm going to put a J. I want to know how many points Marcy and Jocelyn scored. So I can cross this out and this out. What should I do first to solve a math problem? The main idea. I'm going to put it in a three-step process. How many points did Marcy and Jocelyn score? What do I know? Well, I know that Marcy and Jocelyn are getting points. I know that Marcy scored 24 points and Jocelyn scored 14 more than Marcy. So, how can I show that in a picture? Well, I know that my first person is Marcy. I know that she's getting points. And here's her bar. She has 24 points and my total number goes at the top. I also know that Jocelyn is playing this game and she's getting points. This is her bar because she gets 14 more than Marcy, and that's what Marcy has. So I'm going to put a 24 since that's what Marcy has. And since Jocelyn has 14 more than this, I'm going to add another one here. And that's going to be 14 more than what Marcy has. I don't know what total number that is, but I do know that these bars are touching and they're coming together just like Legos. That means that I need to add them. Over here, 24 plus 14. 4 and 4 make 8, 2 and 1 make 3, that's 38. That goes where the question mark is because that's my total number for Jocelyn. The question wants to know how many points for Marcy and Jocelyn. So now that I have Jocelyn's points, I can put it together with Marcy's points. Here's Jocelyn's points, and there's Marcy's points. When you put them together, 8 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have to regroup with the 10 and the 10s, and the 1 and the 1s. 3 and 1 make 4, plus 2 is 6. That's 62, and that goes right here when you put them together, and that should be your answer, A.